Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll. I just thought you would like to see what I put up with while I'm trying to work on dolls here. I have a little girl sitting here named Mabel. You can't see her. Let me see. There she is. And she sits here and just aggravates me while I while I sand. And I don't know how much sanding I'm going to be able to get done here. I mean, you can hold her 24/7. This cat just wants to be held and held and held. Yes, you do. And you get on my nerves. Yes, you do. I don't have many left because of you. Yeah, it's just terrible what you do. But anyhow, as that may be, yeah. Okay, she's calming down a little bit since I put the camera on. I can't believe it. 'Cause just a few minutes ago, she was all over me. Maybe the camera intimidates her. Do you know I got the camera on you? Do you? Yeah. Yeah, you're a good girl. She's trying to touch my lips here right now. Maybe I get this over here like this so you can see what she does to me. Here, we'll just go like this with her. I'm just going to put it on her right now, just for a few minutes, and you can see what she does. She just sits here, and she wants me to... I mean, I just got done kissing her, hugging her, so don't think she hasn't been held. She has. She just has a mind of her own. Is that what this is all about? Yeah, you just picked me. Yeah, you're the good girl. Yeah, you're my good girl. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're the good girl. You're the good girl. Yeah, you're what we are. No sanding. No sanding. Yeah, you're going to help me sand? You tell me how the sanding's going. Yeah. She just has a mind of her own here. Okay, there we go. You're helping me, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're getting mean eyes. I can see you're getting that stink eye look at me because you're getting ticked off. Inside of Mabel, there's another little woman that comes out every now and again. A mean little woman. Yeah, you're going to help me? Okay, just put your paw there and we just sand. We're going to sand together. This is how you learn. Just by helping. Yes, just by helping me. Yeah, did you put your paw there? Put your paw there. Yeah, oh, I know. Yes, it's a good girl. You're such a good girl. Okay, kiss, kiss. We give kisses all the time. I'm always giving you kisses and hugs. Kisses and hugs. Yeah. And then there's times I just got to stop because she won't let me do it anymore. Okay. And I got to take her. Okay. Okay, come here. Come here. You want me to hold you? Is it holding time? Time to hold her. Okay, I got to hold her now for a little while. Oh, I got to put my hands in a circle and just let her sit in the circle. And this is what it's like for I can put about an hour in before I can even work on dolls. I got to put an hour in just holding her like this. And this is what she wants. Ear rubs. Ear rubs upon ear rubs. Yeah. I can't even see sometimes to sand my dolls because she'll stand right over my doll until I do this. This is just for the people that are animal lovers and cat lovers out there. So Mabel comes first, then the dolls. Those are the rules. And she just wants to be loved all the time. Yeah, just love, love, love. Love right up. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you just want to be loved. Yeah. Oh my word. What's it like on this side of you? Yeah, I gotta go brush you again. All right, everybody, I thought I'd just show this to you. This is what I gotta put up with when it comes to restoring dolls. You gotta restore your cat first, then you can get to restore dolls. And you gotta give her the embrace, a nice hug. And then after that, she gets, all of a sudden she'll turn on me and get this other woman that's inside of her, comes out, and she becomes something else. And then she's like really snotty with you. And she's like, well, what are you doing touching me for? Is that right, baby? She has a Garfield collar on, but no, this is all about her. Yeah, it's all about Mabel. Get down from the table. Yeah. But anyways, I thought you'd like to see what happens when I try to restore a doll. Maybe this is one reason why many of them are not getting done too fast. Ah, what a girl. All right, we'll talk to you again soon. Maybe I can get her to calm down now. Okay, thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.